What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about something pretty important that I know a lot of you guys are struggling with based on all of the comments I get on every single one of my videos, right? A lot of you out there are going live 3, 4, 5 nights a week trying to grow your streams, and you are getting no success. But in this video, I'm going to break down for you guys how to actually grow, and to be completely honest, it actually requires less work than you're putting in right now. You just got to shift your priorities a tiny bit. But before we get into that, you guys know how important it is to make your streams look professional, right? And stand out amongst the sea of millions of other people trying to become streamers in 2025 and onward. And that's where our sponsor for today's video comes in. You guys got to check out onward.tv. Onward.tv is your one-stop shop for fresh new graphics for your stream. Whether you're on Twitch, YouTube, or Kick, you'll find something that's a perfect fit for your channel. They offer full themed overlay packages, which are great if you're trying to give your stream a complete makeover, but let's say you're looking to pick up some new alert graphics, don't worry, because they've got you covered there too. You could find single graphics such as alerts, emotes, banners, panels, and logos as well. And one of the best parts about these overlays is that they are completely modular. So if you and your friends all pick up the same overlay, such as this Rodan one right here, you could change the colors and tweak it to match your brand, and none of you will have the exact same overlay. If you're looking to take your stream to the next level, be sure to check out own.tv using my link below to support the channel. And don't forget, use code HAMMER at checkout for an additional 50% off your order. Now, back to the video. Okay, so now that we're back, I can start breaking this down for you guys, right? Let me give you a scenario. And a lot of you out there, I know this is you because I get the comments, I get the emails, and I talk to a lot of you on the side, one-on-one, outside of YouTube. And I've decided that I needed to make this video because I feel like a lot of you are struggling with the exact same problem. And that problem is you've been going live for a couple of years or a couple of months, however long it is, and you're not seeing consistent growth. You get some follows here and there, you get a viewer every now and then, maybe you get 5 viewers, but you can't seem to get past that 5 to 10 viewer mark. There is something that you're not doing, and a lot of people don't share this information with you, and I don't know why. So I'm going to share it. I've done this myself, and it actually worked. So what is happening is, let's say you guys are going live Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, or Monday through Friday every single night, and you're seeing that problem, that stagnant growth. Nobody is following your stream. You're getting no new viewers. Now, the thing is, this is going to sound weird, but a lot of you, in my opinion, are actually streaming too much. So basically what I want you to do is change your priorities and switch around what you're doing a little bit. If you are not clipping things from your stream or making content outside of streaming, to be completely honest, and the reality of the situation is, it is going to be nearly impossible to grow your stream in 2025 and in the future, right? That whole meta of just being live more doesn't really work. It's not the meta anymore. It's extremely saturated. However, there are new metas and new ways of growing that actually require less work now with the help of AI, and it's going to grow you immensely even when you're not live. So what you guys have to be doing is when you go live with a goal, right? Your goal while you're live is to be creating content that you can post then after you're done being live. And what I mean by that is, let's say you're playing Arc Raiders, right? The new game that's out that everyone's playing. I played it. It's a great game. Everyone's having a blast on it, but it doesn't have to be Arc Raiders. I'm just using this for an example. You're playing Arc Raiders. Now, while you're streaming Arc Raiders on Twitch, Kick, YouTube, wherever you are, while you're streaming it, make sure that you're making what you're doing interesting, right? If you see the opportunity to clip farm and basically form a clip for later on to post, make sure you take that opportunity. Then you can go and drop your stream into something like Opus Clips or Nexus Clips or any one of those platforms that will just basically take AI and generate a bunch of clips for you from your stream without you doing any work that you can then post on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Twitter, Instagram, wherever you see fit. A lot of you are just going live with the assumption that you're going to grow by being live. Again, this is not the meta anymore. You need to be going live with a goal. And if you're not going live with a goal and trying to farm clips and trying to farm content that you can then post after you're done being live, you're going to struggle to grow, and to be completely honest, you might never grow. That is just the way it works now. And the reason why I say this is less work is because you can use the help of AI, right? You can put your streams link, you know, put your Twitch VOD or whatever into Opus Clips, into Nexus Clips, into any of these AI programs, and it will generate a ton of shorts for you. Yes, you'll have to go in and edit them, because they're not always perfect, right? It's AI that's actually clipping these moments, so you're going to want to edit them and make them actually interesting. But this gives you the ability to then take your streams and repurpose that content in a different format that you then post on other platforms that then grows your stream while you're not even live. And this is the new meta. And if you're not doing this in 2025 and onward, you're going to be stagnant and not really grow. The thing is, you just need to be consistent with it, right? So if you're streaming, let's say 4 hours a day, 5 days a week, at night, in the morning, in the afternoon, whenever your free time is, 20 hours a week, cut your streaming down to 14 hours a week. Cut 1 or 2 of those streams out of the week and use the time you would have spent streaming to actually edit those clips, get those clips going, download those clips. You'd be surprised. If you're streaming for 4 hours, you could generate 20 plus shorts and TikToks from that. And then you should be uploading 3 to 5 shorts and TikToks per day, right? Think of it as advertising for your stream. Think of it as you're marketing your stream. These are the best moments. These are the funniest moments. These are the most professionally played moments. These are the skillful moments. Market your stream with those shorts and those TikToks, because you guys have no idea how impactful that actually is. And you might say, oh, I've done this in the past and I've gotten no growth. Okay. I understand that. But the thing is, it's all about consistency. If you're posting 3 to 5 shorts or TikToks per day from stream content, you're not creating any new content, you're just going live and then repurposing that content. If you do that for a month, over the course of a month, that is over 100 TikToks and shorts that you have now uploaded. Now think about that at scale of 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, hundreds of clips. All you need is one of those clips to catch on and start going viral. And it happens, and it's very, very common. This is not something that's unattainable. It's very, very attainable for all of you out there, and you just need to do it. You just need to be consistent. So my advice to all of you guys out there who comment saying, I've been streaming for 2 years, 3 years, whatever, think about it on that scale. 12 months in a year, 100 shorts or TikToks per month, that you're not even doing any real work. You're just kind of just streaming and getting these clips made with AI. It's a no-brainer. Over the course of a year, that's over 1,000 videos that you've now uploaded that are marketing and pushing your stream to people, getting your stream in front of as many eyes as possible. That is the goal. So my advice to you guys, and again, it sounds crazy, is stop streaming so much. But when you do stream, go live with a purpose. Go live with the intent of clip farming like big streamers do. Farm clips, farm content that you're going to repurpose from your stream and post on all of these platforms. Because I can almost guarantee you that if you do this for even just a couple of months, you will see tremendous growth on your stream. Now, I'm not going to sit here and say you're going to be at 1,000 viewers overnight, but you are definitely going to go from your 1 to 5 viewers that you normally have to 15, 20, 30, 40, 50, and scale from there. Think about it in the sense of scaling it over months, right? If each month you're posting 100 shorts and TikToks, whatever, Instagram Reels, whatever it is, that scales tremendously over the course of a few months, and you guys will have no idea how fast you're going to start growing once you get one of those videos to take off. Do not get discouraged when you post and you get the 200 to 300 viewers or whatever you're getting. You will eventually post one that takes off, and then consecutively after that, each one you post is going to go more and more and more and more. I've proven this on multiple channels. A lot of people I know have proven this. It really does work, and I feel like people are just giving you guys the wrong information nowadays. So I wanted to share this with you and say, you know, you may be just streaming too much and you're streaming with no purpose. If you just shift around your priorities a little bit, put a little bit of that time that you spend streaming into something else, like forming clips and posting mass amounts of clips, which it's so easy now with the help of AI, you are going to see tremendous growth. And if you have done this and been successful at it, comment down below. If you've been streaming for years and have no viewers, or even just a few months and have no viewers, comment down below. Let me know what you guys are struggling with. I will do my best to answer every comment that I can and give you the best advice that I can. I'm actually working on a course right now for the channel. It's not going to be out for a long time, so we're not going to get too deep into it, but something that's really going to help people out, and I'm excited about it, and I can't wait to get that out to you guys. But if you guys found this video helpful in any way, like the video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and come follow me over on kick.com/hammerdance. I stream Monday through Friday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. But anyways, guys, thank you all so much for watching and listening in. I'll see you all in the next one.